Hey Spurs, how are you? Today we're going to work on our shared writing, which is our Wednesday's lesson. So on Monday we talked about the central idea. We looked at our text features and we looked at our story, and we determined that the main idea, or the central idea, was that Dolphins on Duty is about dolphins who used to help the Navy because of special traits that they have. Then yesterday we did supporting details, in which we found that dolphins are used because they use echolocation, and they use that to find things such as mines. Another special trait that they had was dolphins adapt to their environment easily and can swim in shallow water or deep seas. And then a third detail was that dolphins are able to dive deeper than humans. So for our response to our reading, we're going to write a shared writing piece. We're going to write a response to what we've read. So for your performance task on Friday, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to fill out one of these, but you're going to do it over your independent reading book that is a nonfiction book. And you can pull that up through Epic, or if you have one of your own. But let's go ahead and start this shared writing, so that you can see how you should start your sentences and how you should respond. So in our performance task, it wants you to look at the story, and it wants you to talk about how does the text evidence support the central idea. Okay, so the text evidence is going to be this in yellow, the supporting details. How does the text evidence support the central idea? Okay, so I'm just going to start off by saying, oops, no bold and no underline. Okay. In the story, Dolphins on Duty. Sorry. Dolphins were used by the Navy, because of their special traits. And then that basically is telling me that's the central idea. The central idea is what the story is mostly about. In the story, Dolphins on Duty, dolphins were used by the Navy because of their special traits. I said that as a statement. That's very similar to what I wrote here for my central idea. So then I'm going to list the text evidence, and I'm just going to list them as facts. So I can start off by saying dolphins, you have to excuse my spelling. Dolphins have special traits such as the use of echolocation, can dive very deep, and can adapt to shallow and deep waters. Okay, that's spelled incorrectly. Now it's fixed. Okay, so there's my response. That is my response with text evidence, and it also is supporting the central idea. It supports the central idea because those were facts. That was the evidence that was found in the story. In the story, Dolphins on Duty, dolphins were used by the Navy because of their special traits. Dolphins have special traits such as the use of echolocation, can dive very deep, and can adapt to shallow and deep waters. So that is my response to my reading. So for Friday, for your performance task, you're going to do something very similar, and you're going to also use your graphic organizer to organize your thoughts, just like I did here. And then you will respond, and that's what you send to me on Friday. but you're going to do it over your own informational book. You're not just going to copy what I wrote and send it to me. You're going to do it over your own book. All right, Spurs. Thank you for joining in. I look forward to seeing your performance task turned in on Friday. And that's all I have for you today. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.